Hello, it's Hamish from 4Ag. We're just giving you a quick overview of the SD300 SmartDrill. So we've called this machine a SmartDrill because we wanted a simple heavy disc drill for dairy or pastoral grass farmers to operate that'll drill in any conditions in a heavy sward, thatched pasture or into crops. And I guess what's unique about the SmartDrill is it's a 5-inch row spacing disc drill, but it's also got a heavy Prism closing system at the back. So we're a heavy drill for direct seeding into pasture, but we can also double up as a semi-roller drill because of the heavy Prism roller at the back of the machine. A very quick overview, we have a heavy 2-point hitch which gives full swivel articulation, nice for turning. The machine has the PS500 seeder from APV, so it's a 500 litre air seeder, hydraulically driven fan. We have radar metering, so no drive wheels, nothing to foul on crop. One of the most accurate and easy to use of all the European small seeders. So quite a highly spec'd seeder. So we are a 24 outlet drill. We have a 5-inch row spacing. So you can see here that we've got quite a big diameter disc. Now that's made of boron steel. It's 400mm diameter. And the slight angle of those coulters is what opens your slot for the seed. All of the coulter arms are mounted in this Dura-Torque system. So if you're in any stones or in any uneven ground and at high drilling speeds, very low maintenance drill, very easy to use drill and handles a lot of punishment. So the rubber Dura-Torque protects the disc leg, and then we run an Agri Hub hub bearing, so nothing to grease, very low maintenance. At the back of the machine we have a 500mm diameter Güttler Prism roller, so you can see that these rollers, it has what we call a self-cleaning action, and that the punching action of these spikes is what closes the slot. So at speed you're closing the slot and you're really stimulating the grass sward, giving it some consolidation. Decent, good sized transport wheels. We have a hydraulic ram here which does two functions. It's obviously your ram for your transport wheels, but also with the spacer slicers on it, that's what sets your drilling depth. Nice convenient step and platform for loading bags of seed in, nice and easy. Really simple and smart, and at 2.3 tonne we've got a lot of weight and a lot of penetration for oversowing into dry summer or autumn conditions. So that's the overview of the SmartDrill. Nice little machine out of Europe.